bugs, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samara Curtiss, and if you want to see what I'm about to whip up with this instant coffee and whisk, stay tuned. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any other videos. So if you're trying to figure out what we're about to whip up with all of these ingredients, I'm about to tell you. So today we're going to try to make Dalgona whipped coffee. I've been seeing this coffee all over my Instagram timelines. I've been seeing numerous YouTube videos of other people trying to recreate this coffee, and I just wanted my part and trying to make it myself. So it's super easy, but I heard it's a little bit time consuming, so we're about to find out. All you need to make Dalgona coffee is milk, or you can have some type of almond milk or oat milk, sugar, a bowl, measuring instruments, a whisk, an empty glass, some hot water, and of course, instant coffee. And the measurements are super easy, so it's just 2 equal parts of each thing. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I have my empty mixing bowl, and we're gonna take 2 parts of each of the ingredients, which is the instant coffee, the sugar, and the water for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. 2 teaspoons of sugar. And 2 teaspoons of hot water. I've already measured mine out, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that right in. And we're gonna go ahead and get to whisking. So the consistency it needs to be is far from this. It's supposed to be a cloud-like whipped cream, light and airy type mixture, so let's keep whipping. As you can see, it's starting to lighten up and get a little bit thicker, but we have a long way still to go. And if you happen to have an electronic mixer or like egg beater at home, I'm sure that would work in half the time, but I had fun whipping this up, and I'm still gonna be whipping. Okay, so I've been whipping for probably like 7 minutes now, and we can definitely see the difference from when we first started, when it was just super liquidy and dark, as if we just added water to instant coffee. And now I believe because like the air is whipping into it and the sugar, we're getting a much thicker consistency, but we still have a long way to go. I'm gonna keep whipping for like maybe another 5 minutes, and hopefully we'll be at the point where we can go ahead and top off our milk with our whipped coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have our consistency after 11 minutes of whipping. It's nice and thick and airy. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our milk and some ice and go ahead and top it off. I have heard that you can go ahead and use warm milk to have like a hot coffee Dalgona, but I'm an iced coffee girl, so we're just gonna go ahead and top this off on some nice cold milk. Okay, so like I said, we have it to that thick consistency that we've been whipping and waiting for. So we're gonna go ahead and set this to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and grab our milk. Like I said, you can use an oat milk or an almond milk. I use my regular vitamin D milk, and I already put some ice in my glass, and I'm gonna fill it about 1/3 of the way. I consider that 1/3. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the whisk. And I have a spatula, and we're just gonna top this off. Look at this. Dalgona coffee. And there you go, love bugs, Dalgona coffee. I love how it's whipped and it just sits on top and the milk is chilling on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this on up and try it. I wish I had a straw. Oh my God, that's really good. Like I didn't, no lie, I didn't think it was gonna be that good. I thought it was gonna have more of like a super coffee taste, like a super strong coffee bean taste, but once you mix everything together, this is so good. Like, this is a perfect summertime drink. Like, sitting out by the pool or like for breakfast in the morning like this. It looks pretty. It takes forever. Like, it took a good 10 to 11 minutes of whipping, but the end result, like, I wish you guys could taste how good this is. And everything is starting to like mix up really well right now. But yeah, that's Dalgona coffee. So if you want to see what we have tuned next week, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.